Hey everyone, this is Rachel, and today I'm here with a new scrapbooking process video. Thanks so much for joining me here, and I hope you enjoy. If you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be super awesome, and I would love it if you would become a subscriber. You can also click on the notification bell so you always know when I have a new video up. Alright folks, let's get going! Hey everyone, so I am here for one final layout for the January 2020 For the Love of Homemade Kits kit series that I'm doing with a bunch of other YouTube ladies. So I have one photo layout to do for this month. It is a picture of me as I believe I'm 3 here. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm about 99% sure that I am 3 in this photo. Is at my grandparents' house. It's 1982, and I have an idea of what I want to do, not so much about this photo specifically, but more using this as a representation to tell a story. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get you guys put on fast forward before I do 2 things. 1, if you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be super awesome. And 2, don't forget to go into the description box below and there will be a link to a playlist of all the ladies' videos who are participating. Some will be their kit shares and some will be their videos, so you can peruse at your leisure. All right, folks, let's get going. All right, so as I was doing this layout, I realized a couple things about the photograph. I will get into it as I reach that point. What I'm doing is looking. I actually only have one full sheet of paper, and that is this wood grain with the hot pink base portion. That is a very old studio calico, and that's totally fine because I actually really like that piece of paper. I'm also going to use the rest of this multicolor floral piece that is a Dear Lizzie one, as well as this hip kit floral piece. So here's where I'm starting to realize what's going on. So what it is I want to mat my photo on this floral piece from Hip Kit, but my photo, the width of that piece is 4 inches and my photo is 4 inches. So I'm like, well, I can trim off just a little bit of each side because it's not really anything special. So when I lifted it up, I'm looking at the base of that photo and I realize those are presents. I'm like, oh, I am 3. In fact, this is my 3rd birthday. So ta-da! I now know it is 1981, not 1982, and it is actually August 14th or thereabouts because that is my birthday. So I am inking up all of my pages because I've got this brown dark wood tone, but then in the floral piece and then also in the embellishments, I'm going to be bringing in black as my neutral tone. I wanted to ink everything up in the gathered twigs just to kind of blend them together. Now I do have this project lifestyle card that I'm going to use for my journaling. I really wanted to use it horizontally, but the grid on it it's not working for this layout. So I will use it vertically, which has lines on the other side below that black and white and pink sticker I just used over on the right hand side. So I add that floral and I kind of zhuzh my photo mat under there, and then I added this very vertical bar quote piece, and that's what really inspired me for this layout. So my entire title is going to be Lessons to Remember, and then I'm going to put 1981 up at the top. So I'm using the flat stickers for the words lessons and 2, and then the Dear Lizzie black and white sticker thickers for the word remember, and I'll jump ahead as I'm pulling these out. So my thought was to talk about how you kind of always wish you could have talked to your younger self and told them what things not to do or what things to concentrate on and stuff like that. But in my journaling, I talk about, well, Obviously, I wish I had, you wish you know these things, you don't learn them, but the aspect of learning them helps you become who you are. And so basically, it's just kind of a, while you may wish to talk to your younger self, in reality, your today wouldn't be your today if you hadn't had to go through what you had to go through. So it's kind of a, come see, come saw type of thing. So that is what my journaling is about. But I really loved that vertical tower of phrases about being kind and, standing tall, not literally, but euphemistically. So now I'm going to go down and glue the rest of my chipboard thickers down. And I once again jump ahead because who wants to watch me glue down thickers? I don't want to watch me glue down thickers. So now I'm kind of poking through my embellishments, seeing what might work. I do pull out a couple of the Maggie Holmes phrase stickers, and I'm seeing if anything will work on these Bella Boulevard, and nothing is striking my fancy. I had already pulled out one of those pink paisley stickers. So what I do is just to the left of where I work, I keep a little desk organizer from IKEA, and in there I have some random stickers that are almost used up, including this pack from Inked Rose by We Are Memory Keepers, which, haha, hello old, it's when We Are Memory Keepers still made lines and collections. So that's how old this is. So I grabbed two of the butterflies and then that circular mirror like looking piece, and I have to add extra glue because there's like literally no stick to these at all. So I go ahead and pull out my brayer and I brayer down all of my flat stickers, which just helps them adhere to the paper behind them. It's a trick I learned from one of my friends at a crop, which is one of the reasons, you learn tips and tricks you didn't think of before when you scrapbook with others. All right, to finish up this layout, I'm going to do two things. I am going to add some enamel dots from the kit I had put together, and then I'm going to go grab some shimmers in pink stilettos and Jenny B blue and do a little bit of misting. Thank you guys so much for joining me here for this For the Love of Homemade Kits layout. I will have a what I made and what's left of my kit video up in a couple days, and then February 1st will be my new kit layout. So looking forward to that. Make sure you check out the playlist in the description box below. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a wonderful day, morning, night, evening, whatever it happens to be, whenever you happen to be watching this. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.